Well, so what is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So, guys, let's get started with today's video. So, guys, today I'll show you how to install the iOS 14 beta early on your iPhone or any iPad device. So, guys, let's get started with today's video. So, guys, if this link works for you, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe my channel. So, guys, now let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is you have to just click on the link that I have given in the description with the I have written iOS 14 download link. You have to click that link, and after coming on that link, and I'll show you here, you can see download Apple beta software. So guys, do as I tell you, and then here you can see iOS for iPad 14 for iPad, and for your iPhone is here. You have to just click the blue button after you come on the site. This is the site betaprofiles.com, and after that click on download, and you have to allow it just like I do. Profile downloaded. After allowing, so guys, it is completely safe, it is my guarantee. And after downloading the profile, and then you open the settings, and then here you can see after you open settings, it will show you a pop-up of the install profile, and after you see, you can see it is verified by Apple, and this is the official link, and you don't need to be a developer, you can just download the profile for free. You can say I did it for free, and after that you can read iOS 14 beta software profile and click on install. Enter your passcode. Let me enter mine. Just a second, and here you go. I entered my password, and here you can see you have to click on install, and after it will, you have to click on install, it will ask install. And guys, as you can see, after installing the profile, you have to search in the settings for software updates. After you come at this point, the software updates point, and then after that you have to click on download and install. Then you have to again enter your passcode. Let me enter my passcode real quick, and here you go. After installing, you just have to go to the software update, and then you can see then this will show up update requested. And so guys, as you can see, after waiting for 1 or 2 minutes on the update requested page, and here as you can see now it is written downloading, and you have to wait after it shows up like the update requested as I showed you. After that you have to wait 1 or 2 minutes on this software update page only, and after that it will show you downloading, and about 16. So it takes about 20 minutes to install this developer beta. After iOS 14 is installed, I'll show you. So I am waiting for these 14 minutes to install. So guys, after waiting for 20 minutes, here you can see you will get the option to install, and here you click on install now. And guys, your battery must be 50% or above, or your iPhone should be or on charging. So now you have to enter your passcode. Let me enter my passcode, and here you go. Verifying update, and let's see what happens now. So guys, as you can see, the update has started, and after you click on install now and enter your passcode, it will verify the update, and your iPhone or iPad will automatically turn off, and it will start updating like this. You can see the loading time is here. When this white bar will reach the end, then the update will be completed, and you can enjoy your iOS 14. And after that, after this is completed, I'll show you. And now guys, the loading time is over, and my iPhone is updated to iOS 14. And now let's check. Go to settings and go to software updates, and here you can see your software is up to date, iOS 14.0, and this was all. And now I'll show you the features of the iOS 13. You go to apple.com and you can check the features. The apple.com link is in the description below, and looks like a brand new iPhone experience. Widgets on the home screen, you can add widgets. Let me show you a tutorial. So guys, now you just click on this, and if you are into stocks, you can add stocks to your home screen on your like widgets to your home screen, just like the Android devices. and you can also add music, weather and more. And you have the app library. You can see here app library, and just like the Android devices, app library. And let's see what's more in there. And you will get like phone calls like this, because this is the best update. Oh my god, whenever I am playing games, then a phone call comes, my game crashes. And now this is the best update. And picture in picture, you watch YouTube videos, like you can do two works at a time. And you can pin conversations, as you can see, like your this update. And you can like pin the conversations. You just have to click on it and then pin the your family members. You can pin anyone you like to pin, your close ones. And group photos, and you can see mentions, and you can mention inline replies, new memoji stickers. You can create your own memoji stickers. And cycling directions. So translate, you get the translator, I think. Let me check if it is there. And here is the translator, the Apple translator. And let's see what's more in there. And guys, these were the main parts of the update. And if you want to read these updates, the link is in the description below. So guys, this was all for today's video. And comment down what part you liked about the iOS 14, the latest iOS 14 update. And so guys, the part I liked was the widget screen, that you can add widgets. So guys, thanks for watching. This was all for today's video. If you want to update your iOS 14, the link is in the description below. Like, subscribe, share, click the bell icon for more videos like this. Let's complete 10,000 subscribers in 2 months. Let's see if you guys can complete. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I showed you an amazing video to update your iOS 14, your iPhone or iPad to iOS 14 just in some minutes. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Share the video with your friends who owns like the iPhone devices. Bye. Like, share, subscribe.